So what on earth? What's going on? Somebody's hungry. And you think I'm just going to drop everything, whoa, and get your supper? Well, you're probably right. CeeLo! CeeLo! Talk about being food motivated. Now, CeeLo hasn't been like this since Furby was alive. Well, he has a couple of times, but not consistently. Okay. I will feed you, I promise. I will feed you. Okay, be good. So with all that bouncing around, she just inhales hers. And he is just a really delicate eater. Silly boy. All that enthusiasm, and you're such a picky eater.